Hey guys, welcome back to the Nifty's analysis. Now I'm gonna break down the whole Nifty's price action step by step in front of all of you so that you might have questions in your mind like where is the Nifty headed, how long this fall is going to continue, should I buy the stocks in the market, should I invest in the Nifty ETFs, is it likely to continue to fall like this, and all this questions. And when you look at the news and the headlines, you have a lot of questions and doubts and the self doubts in the market as well as in your own approach. So what I'm gonna do to clarify it to a large extent is that I'm gonna break down the whole Nifty structure in front of you, and so that you really understand, like, are we really going to make a bottom or not, right? So this is Nifty's chart in front of all of you. Now I will take you from the top to bottom research. So what I'm gonna do in this is I'm gonna take you through the monthly chart first, and then we'll go to the daily chart and the small time frames. So if you look at it here, right, this is the monthly chart of Nifty in front of all of you. Now what you need to do is, rather than looking at the news and going into the others' opinion, if you spare some time with the chart, you yourself will get to know that whether and where is the Nifty headed. So like this, if this you see, this is the monthly chart of Nifty, and this been a great correction in the market. And 1 2 3 4 5, so Nifty has been correcting from the 5 months consecutively, and now this is the sixth month, which is the March 2025, wherein we so far we have small green color candle, means Nifty is taking some support. And this, the blue colored average which you're seeing on the chart, this is a 21 period moving average. So, and another thing is, this was the previous top, the Nifty went sideways and then we had this rally. So if I just draw a simple moving average, the Fibonacci retracement from the from the whole leg, so there are two ways to draw it, right? You never get confused about it because this was the previous top. So if you look at it from here to here, we have already corrected about 55% of the whole fall. And in this price action, if you see, Nifty now has reached to the 21 period moving average on a monthly chart. So this simply means that the correction earlier also, if you see, on 2023 it corrected till 21, then before that in June 22, and before that also this was a crash time, so not considering, but before that in 19 and 18 also, it took support from the 21 period moving average and continued to move up. So this is a great support. Second thing, after this there is a huge gap. So we are primarily considering that Nifty is taken support from the 21 in the monthly chart. On a weekly chart, if you see again, last week we had a green candle and this week is since ongoing. So this has been week on week basis Nifty was correcting, but this is the first time, and after a red around the black colored, this light gray colored moving average, you can see Nifty taking support on the weekly chart as well. And if you look at it on a daily, see, on a daily, if you see, we are below the 200 period moving average. Now, as per the Dow theory, anything below the daily 200 is considered to be bearish. So Nifty isn't in a, bull trend on a daily chart, although if on a weekly it is bullish, on a monthly it is bullish, but on a daily, since it is trading below the 200 period moving average, it is considered to be bearish on a daily time frame. So what is the trait of a bearish market is that, as per the Dow theory, that it continues to make a series of lower lows and lower highs. So if you see, I'm drawing in front of you, this was the first leg, then this was a pullback, then after this pullback, again it was down till here. If you just consider the major ones, although there are multiple up and downs in between also, but we are only taking the major ones to explain the series of higher, lower lows and lower highs. So this is like this. So far, what is the trend of Nifty? It is bearish. This is a high, low, lower high, lower low, again a lower high, again a lower low. So this is like this. Now on a daily chart, when it is going to be bullish is that when it at least crosses the 21 period moving average on the upside, we start believing that okay, it started being sideways to up. So what happens is, after a downtrend, either there could be a v shape recovery, or there could be some sideways move, and then the recovery starts. So in this case, the first hurdle to nifty is at 22,700. When it crosses it up, we can see this going towards 23,200 to about 23,600 to 500 respectively. Right now, if you see this on a daily chart, it is bearish. Now if I am looking for a weekly perspective, you can always check it on a 15-minute and a 60-minute chart. And on a 15-minute chart, it has beautifully taken the support on the upside. So this particular week, till the time nifty is trading above 22,300, it is bullish. Please note it down. Till the time it is trading above 22,300, it is bullish, and it is likely to go to the targets which I explained to you, 22,600 to about 23,200. So this particular week, we can at least see 22,900 to about 23,000 also, if nifty continues to trade above 22,300, right? Only the view for the week would turn bearish if it closes below 22,300. If not, the view will remain intact, right? So this is how you understand the whole structure. So let's summarize the whole analysis. The summary of the whole analysis is that if nifty takes support from the monthly 21 period moving average, we may get the bottom in the March 2025. So the sacrosanct level in the market, the low so far it has made from the top is 21,964. It means that it just pierced the 22,000 and turned up. So if it continues to hold 22,000, then we may see 23,000 levels coming soon in the market, and around the 22,000 levels nifty can make a bottom, and corrections may get ended here, and we should start seeing the market moving upwards. Yeah, I hope this analysis helps. How did you find this analysis, and what all you want me to do, the kind of analysis video you want me to make? Please comment below, and next week again I'll come with the nifty's fresh analysis. Yeah, take care, trade well, and follow your risk management. Bye bye.